John Montgomery here from Benson Alfa Romeo in Greer, South Carolina, online at bensonalfa.com, bensonfiat.com. You're looking at a brand new Estrema edition Alfa Romeo Stelvio 2023. Got the 21-inch wheels, black calipers, black trim, carbon fiber mirror caps, mirror-on front carbon fiber on the V. Also these dark headlight surrounds, just absolutely gorgeous car. Also in the back, it's got blackout trim on the all the labels. So Stelvio's in black, Q4's in black, beautiful black trim and exhaust tips. Just a lovely car all the way around. We sold this car about 2 weeks ago. As you can see inside, carbon fiber on the door panels, double red stitching here, leather uppers, and look at the carbon fiber dash. Now my customers added that Alfa Romeo badge that doesn't come with it. But anyway, that's really not what I want to talk about here. I want to talk about two little things that you can do to your car if you've got a 2-liter Julia or Stelvio to really make it a rocket. First of all, there is the Chipbox, and there's a lot of sellers out there that have things like the Chipbox, and certainly you're welcome to explore those. This is one that we've been using here at the store from time to time, and it's a great product. It will give you 34 more horsepower and 60 Newton meters of torque, so that's roughly would bring you to about 314 horsepower in this car, and will also give you 324 foot-pounds of torque. They're roughly about 600 bucks, but pretty easy to install. I installed them in this car. Probably took me about 40 minutes to do it. You can't even tell, but anyway, you'll see the performance is a huge difference. It won't be a quad, but it's going to be a lot better. So now here's one other thing that you can add for under $100. There's my card, by the way, if you need to reach me. I'm online at bensonalfa.com, and you can go check me out or send me an email at john@bensonfiat.com. All right, this is something that's sold by Centerline and also a couple other vendors. Alfa Romeo sells it. It's online. This is a stop-start interrupter, and one of the things that really bugs people about this vehicle is the stop-start device. You've got to hit that button every single time you get in the car. If not, it's going to shut off when you get to a traffic light, let's say, or just tooling around, and the dang thing will shut off when you're at a red light. So this eliminates it. And let me show you how easy this is to put in. They give you the little tool here. So I'm going to take this little tool and I'm going to go ahead in here and I'm going to move that out. You can see this whole thing just pops out very easy. Go ahead and get that underneath there. Okay. Like I said, they give you the tool. This is a 2-minute instant gratification modification. All right, let's check this out. Basically, all you do here is unclip this piece right here. I'm gonna try to do it one-handed. I don't know if I can do it or not. Maybe not. No, not going to be able to do it. But you can see all you got to do is plug this thing in and then take your other side and plug it in. Tell you what, I'm going to set the camera down here and take this out. Just bear with me a second. All right, I pulled this out. Here's the connector right here, and you can see all you got to do is take this, pop it in, take this side right here, pop it in. It's got a little clip lock. Very, very easy. Anybody can do this. Let me get that square. All right. Popped in. All right. Make sure it's fully seated in there. Okay. And then all you got to do is stuff that whole thing back in there. Get that seated. There we go. And then pop that back into place. That's all you got to do. There it is, installed in less than 2 minutes. So this is a great product. It's a little under $100. You'll have to check it out. Like I said, you can go to centerline.com or alfisimo.com. Take a look and look at Jason's site. but they've got some good product there. But anyway, this is so easy to do. Now what will happen is when you hit the start button, the stop start function will be disabled, and then that's every single time you get in the car and start it. So for 75 bucks, it's really a no-brainer. And so, you know, I would encourage you to get it. You can install it yourself, and if you ever want to take it out, of course you can. But if you hit this button 8 times within 10 seconds, it will revert back to the factory setting. So it's not like you will never have that function if you do this. So it's very easy. 8 times hitting the button in 10 seconds, and that will turn it back on again. If you hit it 8 times again, it will do the function that you bought it for. So really easy. This is the part number right here. Again, you can go to centerlinealpha.com and check out Joe's guys there. They'll help you out, or alfissimo.com is another great site to get this product. Very easy. I mean, I can't imagine somebody who wouldn't do this. So anyhow, let's go ahead and we'll start the car, and that way you can see what I'm talking about. Oh, I don't have the key. I'm sorry. Well, I don't have the key. It's inside. Oh well, drat. But we'll go from there. Anyhow, it's a great product, and I hope you'll consider it. And tell you what, let me go get the key, and we'll do it. You can take a look at my BART. I've got that car, it's a 2013. That thing is a rock and roller. It's more modified than you can believe. Here we go. Got the key right here. All right, put the key in its spot. Brake. All right. See that light came on? I didn't touch it. It came on. Your stop-start device is now disabled for whatever drive that you have. So anytime you get in the car, there you go. All right, let's try it one more time. Turn it off. Remember that little secret I told you guys about on my YouTube channel? If you want to check your oil, hit the start button without your foot on the brake, and you're going to see your oil level right there. It'll give you that oil level for about 3 seconds. 1.5 quarts from the left bar to the right bar. All right, let's go ahead and start it up. Notice the light is on. That means the stop-start function is disabled. So anyway, sorry I didn't have the key with me. What are you gonna do? These are ad-lib videos, so that'll be an outtake. Anyhow, there's my card if you need to reach me. If you have any questions, I'm on Eastern time, so please leave a positive comment if you can. I'd appreciate that. And if you are considering a new Alfa Romeo, as you know, we're close to Greenville-Spartanburg Airport, International Airport, because BMW is here in town, and you know, it's an international airport, so certainly give us a call, and you can fly in and drive home happy. I've got a great selection. We are an enthusiast store. That's why I'm doing videos like this. So anyway, if you want 314 horsepower and 324 foot-pounds of torque over the 280 and 306 that comes with the standard issue car, check out Seletron.com, and my friend Bob Zecco will be happy to help you. And he's at bob@teamdi.com. Tell him I sent you. If not, there's also others. Eurocompulsion.net, great site for performance parts, and you know, as I mentioned, Centerline Alpha. So anyway, any of them guys are good fellows, and they'll help you out. All right, that's all for right now. I'm going to take a little drive here and you know, check the car out before it goes back to the customer. So anyway, I hope you will check us out at Benson Alfa Romeo. We've got a great selection right now, and best selection we've had in some time. So come see us, and I hope you have a great day. Ciao.